I will leave a parts list in the description. I cut through the piece of plastic with a hacksaw, then added a few O-rings to tighten up the ID so it would grip better onto the lines. Checking to see how much grip it has onto the line. It's not 100%, but it will allow me to get on top of the board before it stalls the kite out. That's the point behind it. The board is a Cabrina double agent. I'm using hooks on front and back. This is where the stopper comes in. When I take the kite and dive it, instead of it going all the way down and stalling the kite out, it prevents that and allows me to get on top of the board without that occurring as much. Most of the time that I'm hydrofoiling, it's in wind that's extremely low.